What's up, guys? So today we got a new video. It's gonna be a different kind of video. It ain't gonna be Can-Ams, it ain't gonna be hot rods. Today we're gonna be playing Battleship. Well, it's supposed to be Battleship with a potato gun.
Battle shots, bro.
Battle shots. Here we go. We got Sean, we got Alyssa, we got Jordan. We're ready to rock. So right now, everybody's getting a test shot. We gotta see how far we're shooting, where we're shooting, if it'll shoot, if it blows up on us. Everybody's getting a shot. Sean just got a shot. I know. So after the queef moment, we had to, like, you know, back it up a little bit. But now we got Alyssa shooting her shot, and Jordan's gonna fire. He don't know it yet, but and then we're gonna set up our battleship. We got a couple spectators over here for today's games. My beautiful wife Veronica, my beautiful baby Hannah. Say hello, Hannah. That's good work. And then my other beautiful daughter, her name is Christina. Can you say hi? Ooh, ear protection. All right, Jordan, we're going for some wall action here.
Another one?
Dude. All right, guys, this will be the first shot. Fingers crossed. Just a dab will do. Looks like we shot a little far, boys. Jordan's over here creating a weapon of war. This one, you gotta hit it this time, Sean.
Got to.
You got to, brother. Yeah, you guys should subscribe to my channel. It's called Backyard Shenanigans. Alright. Tag your friend. Oh, you guys got Instagram? I was gonna say Backyard _ Shenanigans.
This is called a mashed potato.
Steady rain. Here, guys. All right, Shud. This is take 73 with the muzzle loader.
Yeah, right.
I got faith in you, dude.
All right, we're gonna get it this time.
The hell with that pyramid.
Going down.
Is it a pyramid? Here, I'll be your sprayer. I'll be your huckleberry.
My fluffer?
No. All right, Sean. I believe in you.
Possibly going wrong.
Damn it, don't say that, bro. Arizona sledding, check my other videos. Hi. Holy smokes. Dude, where did that even go? Whew. The ripper. All right, round two, fire. Holy moly. Woo! We got first content. Ooh, we got an injury on the field. Oh my God.
I can't see.
Tough as nails.
It's bad.
All right, I call this Spud Gun Revenge. Alyssa going for the wall. Because she wants to see an explosion. What the fuck?
It arcs on your hand.
All right, so this is called a potato gun chicken. Last one to move loses. Holy motherfucker.
We need to go more.
got that bird.
Alright guys, so we could not hit it from, how far do you think that is? Like 50 feet?
We're getting right up on it.
This time, we're gonna hit it.
Come on.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope it was halfway entertaining, and make sure you subscribe and check out our next vid.